my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Rod254 Tony for another one. As you can see, I got two guns. One you probably recognize, that purple monster from Harbor Freight, HVLP, and then we got our newest edition, which is this LVLP. Now you may be wondering, what is the difference? HVLP, high volume, low pressure, is what it stands for. And then you got LVLP, which is low volume, low pressure. So the biggest thing is, or the biggest difference is between these guns is, this one had the high volume, but it requires a low pressure, so you can run it on, you know, smaller compressors. However, the volume is higher, so it may be like, you know, something wasted. Now this one is ideal for your smaller compressors, and it's not going to use as much material. I believe I read that the HVLP uses more compressed air, where this one is more efficient all the way around. If you have a small compressor, it really just boils down to, you know, what you prefer, so to speak. So new edition, I did it in a live, unboxed it or whatever, and so I just want to show y'all both of these. We did have picked out the paint. Let me show you the paint. All right, let me show you this paint here. Probably is gonna be better to see than when I was showing it on the live, just because you have a better camera. So we got a little bit of rather dazzle in there. Still don't know exactly what route we're gonna go with this paint, but yeah, we shall see. We shall see. Alright, so I'm trying to get it to where you can see it. Let me step out of the frame, get that in focus. Come on. You don't want to focus? There you go. Yes, sir. But that ain't necessarily what today's video is about. Finna get ready to go hit this car show. Right out the door. I was planning on taking some.
Oh nigga, you the fool. Why I don't got babies on your roof? Yo, I gon' disappear a nigga poof. That bitch in back and no head.
So I was originally I was gonna take one of the cars, but this week has just been a crazy week. I was basically the store manager this week, because manager went on vacation. So you know what I'm saying, assistant had to step up. Then, I mean, that within itself was just, you know, kind of overwhelming. I didn't have the time to wash up the cars the way I wanted to. I honestly had just looked at my phone and saw that it was actually gonna be going on today. I was like, oh snap, because it was actually supposed to be last weekend, but it got rescheduled or whatever. So we're gonna go up there, check it out, and I'll cut you back on.
feel like a difference in it when you put it on there?
Yeah, I feel like after I put it on there, this shit is like a stock scan. I fucking mastered one time that shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. It just woke it up. It sounded pretty good too. I know it's like as soon as I put it on too, it started like the exhaust got a little louder too.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Alright, y'all, so they're the new shop in town. You can see the information there. JCG Automotive Lighting. They do everything from sparkly roofs. That's what I call them, sparkly roofs. They do sparkly roofs, halos, all that, man. Give them a call if you need that done in the Central Texas area, man. Tell them LS sent you. Alright, so back from the little show, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that little snippet, whatever. Gotta go get some work in. Gonna pay the bills. One last thing. If you missed it, we updated the board. So for the LS Landau interior, be that Camaro dash that we're gonna be putting in there. It's back over there. Still gotta get the rear bumper fillers, front end rebuild, paint, and then we'll put on that Landau trim for the LS Landau. New official name for the box. As far as the Cutlass, James Brown, aka Badass Yellow Boy. Got that rear end going on, positive 373 gears. We're gonna do that steering shaft upgrade, build a console for it, and do those front blazer spindles, which we got over here. If you haven't seen those gonna be going on the Cutlass. Then, you know, after that we'll have the quarter top done and then possibly paint. For the C10, the bumpers installed,
Possibly looking at a drop kit or axle flip kit. We're gonna look at doing a brake conversion for the rear, maybe, and then get the plates for that, get her lined up. As far as the garage, we took off, like I was saying earlier in the video, we took off that because we got the low volume, low pressure and the high volume, low pressure guns. So we're not gonna upgrade our compressor or do a plug. And then trans rebuilds, come back and revisit that Caprice dashboard, which is still over there in the corner. I gotta finish that. Booster, still possibly exhaust. And then the next phase of the C10, we have decided is gonna get the turbo. We still need the blow off valve, wastegate injectors, intercooler, downpipe, and exhaust for that. So definitely got something. Definitely got a lot lined up. Just gotta find the time to do it. You know what I'm saying? Hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. So I'm gonna have to get on it. Knock it out as I can. So y'all know what it is. As always, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. I'm looking at the shadow. It's because the sun is coming right out the windshield. Like a damn Chevy, like a spotlight in here. So, make sure y'all tune in next time. We out.